Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our 7-inch, 175 millimeter ultra hybrid copper pad. Now, we call it ultra because the grains, the copper, they're ultra fine. There's a heavy concentration of diamonds. This is probably the most powerful, fastest removal of metal scratches, and great transition to resins. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our Tri-PCD coating removal tool. This is considered a premium tool. Look, you have 3/4 round PCD segments, and you have a wear bar that has crushed PCD and 16 grits inside of it to help remove all those gouge marks that the PCD has left. A great long life message. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our premium double button 40 grits with the tapered edges in medium bond. Great tool for the Levinas, Edcos, etc. This tool right here, the 40 grits, great for general prep. Look at the diamond content. They'll outgrind the competitors way more faster. Long life. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have the Tri-Segs and the 80 grit medium bonds. A lot of polished concrete guys like this tool because it helps them with their transition to hybrids or resins. It leaves a very subtle, tight, uniform scratch pattern. If guys want to clean up some patchwork, it's a great tool for grinding seals. Message. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have the full double bars in the 40 grit medium bonds. You either have them in the threaded holes or you have them in the large holes. 40 grits are great for general prep. If you want to do stock removal, this is a tool for you. Message us now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our premium full bar shredders. This is a concrete grinding and coating removal tool made for removal of soft build coatings like epoxies, glues, underlayments, etc. It has a phenomenal life, way lower than the PCD. Message me now.